Welcome back to Bharat 108. We are Jenny and Adam, an Italian couple who left busy London for a crazy mission. Traveled for over 10,000 kilometers across India aboard an auto rickshaw.
Our journey so far. This is where we started. And this is where we are now.
In the last episode, we left Wayanad and crossed the Bandipur National Park. We deep dive into Karnataka's farming.
In this episode,
We arrive in Mysore, we visit the Mysore Palace, and we are on a hunt for a lady that can roll up to 6,000 incense sticks per day.
Bharat 108.
Make everything possible.
We have finally arrived in Mysore. Today we are on a mission. We have heard that women here can roll up to 6,000 incense sticks per day. But is that true? Can we find one of these incredible women? Let's find out.
Welcome to the Palace of Mysore. We started with a surprise. Unfortunately, because we are not Indians, we need to pay more for the ticket, which is a kind of a common thing in India, but still very annoying because the price difference is very high. Look at these guys, 120 rupees for Indians, 1,000 for foreigners, which actually is quite a big gap. So Adam had to withdraw some money because we didn't have enough money to pay the ticket entrance. At least because we pay more, we have a kind of priority. We don't have to queue much.
It's not really true. It's not true. 2,000 rupees. 20 euros.
This is Mysore Palace, designed by British architect Henry Irwin and completed in 1912. The intricate carvings, stained glass and grand halls make it a masterpiece. But there is one downside, the crowds. Maybe we picked the wrong time to visit. If you are planning a trip, go early or on weekdays to avoid the rush. And if you are here on a Sunday or during a festival, don't miss the palace illuminated with thousands of lights. It's pure magic.
We survived.
We survived and we are ready for lunch.
Very ready.
So actually Adam is starving and he said, now stop taking pictures, stop doing anything, we just need to run to the auto, jump on it and find a restaurant. So we are gonna go to Park Lane Hotel. Thank you Annette for recommending it. Bye bye. I think we are more in Germany than India. We were starving, but also we were fancy for a beer. Can you guess what we are having? Same but different. Fried rice for me.
Biryani for me.
Of course.
A few moments later.
We were admiring San Filomena's cathedral when we got approached randomly by Amjad.
In Mysuru, you can see the most very beautiful things. The Mysuru is the very famous, the palace is the number one. And most in Mysuru very famous Ashtanga yoga, Patabi
Ashtanga.
Joyce. Most of the people come to here, they practice the yoga and staying in Gokulam. One is the area called Gokulam.
Gokulam, yeah.
And all this area, you can meet all the yoga peoples from there. And most here very famous Chamundi Hill yoga.
Yeah.
And most here very famous the sandalwood oil and Mysore silk is the very famous. And there you will be see they make the incense.
Yeah.
The one lady make by hand 6,000 to 7,000 per day. And then you can see the big bamboo, they make a small pieces.
Okay.
And they're rolling by handwork. This is the real India. You can see the Indian cultures. When you go around the tourist places, you can find the only tourist place. If you want to see the Indian cultures, you have to come to the old part area. You can see all the surrounding 360 factories. They all do by handwork.
Okay.
Please come this side.
Okay, let's go. What's your name?
My name is Amju.
Amju. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You can
My
walk.
name is Adam.
Your name Adam?
Adam.
Nice to meet you. Like Indian name, Adam.
Yeah.
I have many friends.
Mr. Amjad is an auto rickshaw driver and tour guide. He is willing to help us on our mission. He knows someone who rolls thousands of incense sticks a day. Let's follow him to find out. For the cost of 100 rupees, he brought us to meet these ladies. They were just around the corner. Very easy 100 rupees, but hey, if you don't know, you don't know.
So
The one lady, they make by hand 6,000 to 7,000 per day
And here the drying.
in the drying. If you need more information, please watch your head. You will come inside.
Okay, eco-friendly.
Yes, please come.
Hello.
Hello.
Namaskar, namaskar,
Yes.
Namaskar.
namaskar.
So we know that Mysore is famous for one of the things is incense.
Incense and sandalwood.
Sandalwood.
The
And
main ingredients in incense is the sandalwood,
yes.
the powder,
Okay.
and the oil also. The sandalwood powder, this is the base of making the incense. It's mixed with the carbone, charcoal powder, then sandalwood powder, water, and particular oil. We are making the sandalwood incense specially now, and it's mixed with jaggery syrup.
Jaggery.
Yes.
Jaggery, the
Yes.
sweet.
Yes, you can feel it.
Ah. Even like this smells
Yeah, good.
very nice.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very soft also it
Very,
becomes.
very soft.
This is why we use this products. We
All
are
natural.
completely natural things we use. Then this is the main thing. This is the bamboo. Big bamboos, we chop it into small pieces. We use the bamboo sticks because this completely burns slowly without stopping. Okay? Then what they do, they stick the paste on the bamboo stick and they completely roll it with their hands. Okay? Like this has been made in a proper shape. Then you see.
Very good.
This is just first process. The more fragrance comes after we leave it for dry in the sun. After dry, what we do, we take more of the oil. We dip it inside the oil and we completely cover it for 1 week.
Okay.
Because the oil should completely absorb. It's not just dipping and removing. It will be inside for 1 week and it will like completely absorb the oil. After 1 week, what we do, we take it back and we grind the particular flowers we make. So we make like more than 30 to 40 varieties of these products. So particular things. So we are making the sandalwood. We grind the sandalwood powder and we make it into powder form. That powder we again mix with honey.
Oh.
Honey. You say miel, right?
Yes, miele.
Miel. So we sprinkle it on the top. That is for conservation purpose. So it will long last. You can keep it for like 2 years, 3 years. The fragrance stays the same. It doesn't get affected with any fungus nor it loses its scent. And if you burn a stick, it burns for like 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Wow.
Okay.
45 minutes to 1
1
hour for one stick
of burning.
Wow.
If you don't want 45 minutes to burn, you can stop it and reburn it whenever you want again. It will be the same fragrance.
Fantastic. When you said that you're dipping in oils,
Yes.
which type of oil?
So we're making the sandalwood.
Yes.
So we also make like different, like lotus, jasmine, amber, patchouli, vanilla, cinnamon, frankincense, many. So we take particular oils of that.
Right.
And that oils we also have inside. I will show you.
Natural oil.
Yeah, all natural oils, completely natural oils, and we approximately make more than 30 to 40 different varieties. And we have a small orders going on to different countries. And from here, we also do export a little bit. And some of the retreat centers, like some of the yoga shalas, because Mysuru is also, second thing is very important, is like hub for yoga.
Yes.
Mysuru
we
is
have.
like very famous for yoga, and we get a lot of people from different world. They come and they practice, and they also learn about our products, about our culture, and they also get some things for their families back home.
So this is a family-run business.
Yes, exactly.
How many people do you have?
We just here for demonstration, we have 2 women working,
Yes.
but we also encourage women empowerment.
Uh-huh.
What we do is, suppose the women are married, they don't have work, we give them work so they can look after their home, they can prepare food, they can look after their children, they can also work and also get some income from that.
So they can. So these women can actually work from home.
Work from home, exactly.
Oh, that's nice. That's really
Yes.
nice.
Because
well done.
some women are from villages. It's a little far for them to come every day.
This is a finished one.
Beautiful.
This is an oil we got imported from a French company, but it's actually from Peru. It's
Oh.
dragon blood.
Dragon blood.
It's from the dragon blood tree, and that's the incense we make. Totally amazing.
Guys, wow! I wish you could smell. Adam, smell.
Nice.
And see this one.
Okay. Thank you.
You're almost welcome. So, look at this window. Other video.
This is mint peppermint.
Yes. This is for uplifting.
I love this one. I feel already uplifted. Davvero?
Very nice.
And you can, if you don't want to burn it, also you can keep it openly. The fragrance will be in your home for the whole day.
Fantastic.
And all completely natural. Coloring also is completely natural.
Wow.
And like this, we have different ones.
Wow, this is very uplifting.
Cinnamon, canela. It's like Christmas.
We got surrounded by the rich natural scent of incense. Cinnamon, frankincense, nag champa, a mix of spices, oils, herbs, sage, amber, jasmine and rose, each one more incredible than the last. With only pure, natural ingredients, the fragrances are so delicious, we just can't pick a favorite.
Rosa.
Oh,
Yes.
so it's rose, but not that
Intensive.
not intense,
Not intensive.
not too
Because-
sweet.
Not too sweet. Because when we add honey, the fragrance also sometimes it changes.
With the honey.
Yes.
So honey is the secret recipe.
Yes. And
Oops,
why
we
we
said
use
that
honey,
now.
it's for conservation also. So it doesn't lose its scent nor it get affected with any fungus. It's for conservation here. And
Conservation.
here completely natural. Like this, each human make like 4,000 to 6,000 sticks per day.
One person.
1%.
Let's repeat this. One person.
Makes 4,000 sticks to 6,000 sticks per day.
Wow.
All completely hand rolled.
We all the nose powder by incense. You have as well pinky one.
This is like for good luck also.
For good luck.
Yes, also. And it's like good to have because India is with vibrant with colors, you know.
Yes.
Wherever you go, you find like not just one, you find like different colors.
Yes, yes.
And this is like very important here. Color India, it's like colorful. That is why it is known as also Incredible India. So you can find a lot of experience in India and you can enjoy yourself.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Fantastic.
Most welcome.
Thank you. That's been amazing. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
And
So we have a special guide here. We leave all these details in the description below, just in case, and we leave the description as
Yes.
well, also about these home family-run factory.
thank you very much.
Thank you. So now I'm gonna try and make some incense myself. Usha is my teacher, and he's gonna explain me how to do it. Wish me luck.
I was so intrigued by these ladies that I wanted to give it a go. Definitely not as easy as they make it look. Their speed and precision is unmatched.
Yeah? One more?
Yes.
Yes? One more. Good. Good? Is it good? Yes, it's a good one. One more, okay. It's kind of good.
Yes. Now it is proper work.
It look like that I've been working for hours and hours. This lady can do between 4,000, 6,000 incense sticks per day. I have done in 2 minutes, 2 sticks. So here we have the oils. One question about the incense. Do you sell it by weight
Yes.
or by piece?
By weight.
By weight.
After learning the incense making process, we dived into the world of aromatherapy, exploring countless essential oils. We learn about their uses and benefits, testing scents that relax, heal and energize. This experience reminded us how natural remedies can sometimes be a great alternative to regular medicine. A beautiful journey through fragrance, tradition and well-being.
So as you know, we bought this auto when we were in Tamil Nadu. Now it's time to show you more around
we're gonna do a tour, but there is much more to say because this is the final result, but actually the journey to get at this point has been very, very long.
Yeah, and painful sometimes.
Painful sometimes. So stick with us.
We're gonna introduce you our new friend Raja. Let's go.
Ni da pa ma ga re ma pa pa ma pa 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 ma pa ni da pa ma ga re sa.